Okay, here we go. SportsCardRadio.com 2010 Topps Football Hobby Box break. We got a couple good luck charms here today. Clock killing Corey Dillon. Starting lineup. He's going to bring some good luck. And Nick Van Exel of the Lakers. One of my favorite players when I was a little kid. We're talking a long time ago. He's long retired from the league. So is Corey Dillon. Okay, here we go. Everyone at Sports Card Radio fan forum that responded in a post got a pack. And I think we got it almost full, and 4 people got 2 packs. So they're the lucky ones. Let's see if we can get this open. There we go. Got this open. Hoping for a Tim Tebow autograph or anything good, really. Okay, I said I was going to go like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on back again. So first pack, San Jose Fuji, who hit a nice A-Rod bat when we did a Ginter break. So here we go. These are yours, San Jose Fuji. I see a Bengals on the back. So Corey Dillon is already working magic. Okay, Jason Witten. These are nice because they're shiny. They're a little thin. Jerome Harrison. Cleveland Browns. I have him on my fantasy team. John Beeson, a linebacker for the Carolina Panthers. Frank Gore. These are the Topps 50th anniversary cards. Gridiron giveaway. So there's a code on the back. He'll be able to redeem that online. This is a Michael Turner Topps Attacks. David Harris of the Jets in a throwback uniform. Mike Bell. Taylor Price rookie card. Very nice there. And then also a Jermaine Gresham, the Bengals' new tight end. Rookie card. Boom. Okay, pack 1 done. This is going to take a long time. This could be like probably 3-parter. Okay, pack 2 right over. See, I don't know if you can see that, but I am picking from right there. Okay, pack 2, Neil Buckeye. Neil Buckeye. Let's see what you can get here. Okay. Jabbar Gaffney. Ray Lewis. This says all pro team on it too. Michael Crabtree. Denver Broncos team card. Rashard Mendenhall. These are like the throwback. These might be the 52 Bowmans maybe. Rashard Mendenhall. Calvin Johnson peak performance. Topps Attacks. Phillip Rivers, a Cincinnati Bengals team card. Carson Palmer on there. Brian Bulaga, Green Bay Packers rookie. And then Koa Misi, Dolphins rookie. Okay, those go to you, Neil Buckeye. You know what? I need to do this. Put these back in order here so I don't mess this up. Put those over there. Okay, third pack. Clockwise. So boom, right here in front. Front right. Weird Maniac. These are yours. Okay. Reggie Bush. Santonio Holmes. Leon Washington. Chris Johnson. Another one of these throwback cards. Pretty cool. Mike Sims Walker, peak performance. Randy Moss, Topps Attacks. Peyton Manning. There's your MVP right there. It says it right there if you can't see that. Lewis Murphy. Andre Roberts, rookie. And an Eric Berry rookie for the Chiefs. Okay, that was pack number 3. Moving Nick Benix over. Hey, pack 4 is coming right in the front there. This one. It's going to Helton Fan 17. Who was probably watching the Rockies tonight. They won. The Giants just lost to the Dodgers. That's why we're doing this break so late tonight. Watching that. Giants lost. Ernie Sims. Carlos Dansby. Calvin Johnson. Jay Ratliff. Dallas Cowboys. And a gold. Brandon Flowers. 55 years of collecting. That is serial numbered. Out of 2010. 1836 out of 2010. Brandon Flowers. And hey, look who it is. Tim Tebow. Peak Performance. Boom. So Helton Fan from Colorado, presumably. There you go. Tim Tebow. Your new quarterback right there. Bang. Peak Performance. Frank Gore. I said I was going to hit a Tebow autograph. We'll see how that goes. Percy Harvin. Offensive Rookie of the Year, it says right there. Last year. Phillip Rivers. And Jimmy Graham, rookie card. Okay, that was 4. So back up top to number 5 to Mr. Healy. Healy, these are yours. Let's see what we can do with them. Laurent Robinson, Jarius Byrd. Andre Johnson, Tom Brady, boom, and Joe Montana and Tom Brady, Gridiron Lineage. Insert cards. Oh man, Atugwe. I can't say his first name. Atugwe. I don't know how to say his first name. Rams. That was the Topps Attacks. Kevin Kolb, new quarterback for the Eagles. Derek Ward, who just got cut by the Bucks, and I think he just got picked up by the Texans. Brandon Spikes, rookie card. New England Patriots. And Damian Williams, rookie card. Tennessee Titans. So those were yours, Healy. Okay. Number 6, right up top. Kevin 6819. Kevin 6819. These are yours. Number 6. Brian Cushing. Jared Allen. Donnie Avery. Ray Rice. People expecting big things out of him. Here we go. And this guy as well, Des Bryant for the Cowboys. Throwback card. Des Bryant. Nice. Kellen Winslow. Peak Performance. Patrick Willis. Topps Attacks. Brandon Jacobs. New York Giants. That is Zach Robinson for the Patriots. And look who it is. Sam Bradford. Number 1 pick in the draft. There you go. That's a good one. Sam Bradford. To Kevin, 6819. There you go. Okay, number 7, Cornwell family. That's yours. Okay, upload time's 15 minutes on YouTube now, so we can stretch this out. Kevin Smith. Lions. Andre Johnson. Again. Devin Rushamadu, sleeper wide receiver for the Bears. He looks good. He's a big guy. Ronnie Brown. And this is a Steve Slayton jersey card. There you go. Check it out. Check that out. Steve Slayton. He was even joking about me like getting a hit for him or something, or feeling the packs or something. James Harrison, Topps Attacks. This Cornwell family hits so many cards in our breaks, it's not even funny. Classic matchups. Manning and Romo. And Anthony Davis, rookie card. I mean, I'm serious. This guy has gotten some nice stuff. He's just got the luck of the draw or some. Okay, Chad, you're number 8, so this is your pack. Not that a Steve Slayton jersey is anything to write home about, but hey. Josh Freeman. There we go. D'Amico Ryans. Percy Harvin. Vernon Davis. Sam Bradford, peak performance. There you go, Chad. It's not Tebow. David Harris, tops attack. Kellen Winslow. Jonathan Stewart. Toby Gerhart, rookie. There you go. That's a good one there. If Peterson gets hurt, you never know what could happen there. And Terrence Cody. This is also a rookie card. Okay. Number 9. Tempest. Now I gotta remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back up top. Number 9, Larry Fitzgerald. Who's going to be his quarterback? DeMarcus Ware, Patrick Willis, Montario Hardesty, who just got hurt actually. He's out for the season. It's too bad. Drew Brees, Ring of Honor. It's a nice card there. Peyton Manning, tops attacks. Nnamdi Asomugha, the Raiders. Jamal Charles. I hope he does well. I have him on one of my teams. Washington Redskins team card. And Russell Okung, rookie card. Okay. There you go. Got a couple more packs here. Move things over. Pack number 10. Red Sox 101. That last pack was Tempest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in case I didn't say that. It's number 10. This is Red Sox 101. Elvis Dumervil got hurt early in the season there. Miles Austin. Nate Washington. Joe Thomas. Jason Campbell. These are one of these serial numbered cards to 2010. The gold 55th anniversary cards. Jason Campbell, new Raiders quarterback. You got a nice little Gridiron giveaway code. Larry Fitzgerald. Ben Roethlisberger. He's going to miss a couple games. Marty Gilliard, who I like. He plays for the Rams. And Anthony Dixon. 49ers. Rookie card. Okay, we'll do one more before we have to stop here. And this is Rats DM. This is your pack. Pack number 11. So I'm going to have to speed it up to get this into 2 parts. TJ Houshmandzadeh. Ahmad Bradshaw. Brian Dawkins. Matt Ryan. These are cool. These are the 75th anniversary cards. Mark Sanchez of the New York Jets, rookie last year. That's cool. Jared Allen, tops attacks. Leon Hall, Earl Bennett, Marcus Easley, and Ed Wang. There you go. Rats DM, those were yours. Okay, we'll be back for part 2